Hi guys, in front of me is OnePlus 12 and let me show you how to activate developer panel. At first, open the settings, then enter about device right here and mark version. Here, mark 7 times on version number, then draw your unlock pattern, and as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So just let's go back. And now under additional settings, you can find developer options. Mark to open, and now you can smoothly use them however you like. So just find the option that you want to apply and then enable it if wanted. And once you want to switch developer panel off, just unmark the stop indicator. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.